Your voice matters when you're speaking. So today, some tips for vocal projection and vocal clarity. Bearing in mind that our voice can carry up to 30% of the message. So voice matters, and here's some tips to help you enhance your vocal projection, your vocal clarity. First of all, posture is important. Posture, standing upright, not slumping, and breathing from down below. A lot of people, when they get nervous, they breathe up here, so I get that shallow breathing. But if you were an opera singer, a performer, an actor, you'd be taught to use diaphragmatic breathing. One of the things that helps me illustrate that is when I put my hands here and I breathe in, then my hands pop out. When I exhale, my hands move in. This means I'm diaphragmatic breathing, deep breathing. If I'm not deep breathing, then I'm probably doing shallow breathing. This is where your voice comes from. Warm-ups. Why would you not warm up before going on stage, before doing an important presentation? Opera singers warm up, news readers warm up, the humming, the tongue twisters. What are you going to do to warm up? We walk on stage and think this complex process of making speech is just going to work perfectly straight away. So warm-ups, really, really important. When I'm doing big conference presentations, I will take 5 to 10 minutes in the bathroom by myself, just warming up and getting ready before I go on stage. Vocal variety matters. Myself, I have a fairly monotone, nasal, poor quality voice. So what I do, and you may have noticed, sometimes I change the pace. So I'll speak a little bit faster, and other times I'll slow down. On occasions, I can increase the volume, so raise the volume, but I can also soften the volume, bring it down to a whisper. And so by changing pace, by increasing volume, decreasing volume, I can create vocal variety. And the final aspect of vocal variety and making your voice clear is the use of pause. Pause, it punctuates, it creates suspense. It's the full stop and it's the comma that we have within our written word. The pause does the same thing for the spoken word. And a classic use of pause is when you say something profound, something really important. Allow people, your listener, time to process what you've just said. Think of your comedians. They tell a joke, everyone laughs, they don't keep talking. They remain silent, let that laughter finish, and then they move on to the next joke. So pause enables your audience to process, to think about what you've just said. Does that make sense? This is Peter Dew, public speaking trainer and coach. There are some tips for your vocal projection, your vocal clarity, your vocal quality.